Talk about particularly the euro right now, because the euro is down significantly today, as well as the pound.
Yeah, so interesting about the euro is, there's since the crisis, a lot of the options have to be cleared through the DTCC. And what people have been watching is there's a talk in the market, and it's not like verified or anything, but the talk in the market was that there was a large double no touch, which means that if the price of the euro trades at 113, the option would be negated. And there was that option might have expired last week. A very large, some people think it's the Chinese central bank, had this large option defending the 113 level. We bounced off it several times since the middle of August, and now we're going through it as the option expires. So one, I'd say, is a technical micro market type of issue. But two other issues I think that you brought out. One is Brexit. What's bad, the idea that the UK could leave without an agreement is bad for the UK, but it's also bad for Europe, the continent, and EMU. And then you've got this Italian issue. Tomorrow is a big day for them because that's when Italy has to respond formally to the EU's request that they revise their budget. It looks like they'll make some minor offerings, some minor revisions, probably not enough for the EU, or I should say for the European Commission, and they will probably start an excessive deficit procedure. But it will not lead to a sanction. They can't sanction on projections. They can only sanction, which would be about a 0.2% of GDP, a fine, only after the actuals are known, which is not until, say, middle of next year. So Italy's got some time. It's going to be fighting with the EU. This is going to be a drawn-out struggle for a while, for the rest of this year. But so Italian bonds, I wouldn't expect them to come back and compress the spread very much. Ongoing problem, but it's like a low-grade fever rather than an urgent crisis like Greece was.